Okay, I think we're set. I think we're connecting now. I think we're live as we speak. My name is Jesus Carrillo. I'm part of the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. As you guys know, we, as a good nonprofit, I'm the director of membership. But today, I have the pleasure to go live and be able to welcome one of our newest members of our community, one of our newest members of the Colorado Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. But let me tell you, they're not new. They're not new to health. They're not new to health insurance. Well, let me tell you, these individuals have so much information to share with you guys and great surprises too, because we want to say welcome to the Colorado Hispanic Chamber of Commerce.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Gracias.
No, a ustedes. Y vamos a hacerlo un poco bilingüe for the people that are connecting or the people that are going to be able to share this online. Remember that it's important for us to make sure that we can connect with the whole entire community. We have both English speaking and Spanish speaking, and some of them can be bicultural or bilingual. And today we have both Joe Bakley on the left side, and next to him we have Sebastian de Freitas. I'm going to allow them to please introduce yourselves, tell us a little bit more about yourselves, and tell us a little bit more about what you're doing here today.
Sir?
Sure. Well, my name is Joe Blakely, and I am the manager of sales for individual and family plans with Select Health. And I'm here to get the word out that we have a new option in Colorado for individual and family coverage. And if you haven't shopped, you may want to as quickly as possible because we've got new opportunities to enroll.
I'm Sebastian de Freitas, a community relations manager for Select Health, and we support our organization with all of our community initiatives, including helping families with housing, food security, education, and access. So anything that has to do with education, especially underserved communities, is something very important for Select Health and Intermountain Health. And we do that in any language that we need to, so we can reach out to more people. Así que es un placer estar aquí con todos ustedes. Tanto Joe como yo, Sebastián, somos parte de Select Health, una organización no lucrativa de seguros de salud, nuevos en Colorado, pero con 40 años de experiencia.
Tell us a little more about Select Health. Tell us, people, I think we're starting to notice the billboards. We're starting to see your name out there. For many are new, for many are not as new because they've been, in different states and they know who Select Health is. But for those who do not know who Select Health is, please tell us a little more about who you are, who the organization is, where you guys come from.
Excellent. Well, Select Health is first and foremost a nonprofit entity, and our mission is to help people live their healthiest lives. And we do that through an integrated approach that combines Intermountain Health, which was previously known in Colorado as SCL, and several other entities that you're also familiar. I'll go over those in a little bit of a minute, but we just celebrated our 40th anniversary of helping our members in Idaho, Nevada, Utah, and now Colorado to live their healthiest lives possible by giving them access to high-value care and making it easy.
Same question to you, but now in Spanish.
Por supuesto, bueno, como habíamos mencionado, Select Health es una organización no lucrativa de salud. Tenemos 40 años de experiencia en Utah, Nevada, en Idaho y ahora en Colorado, trayendo planes individuales de salud y también planes para los papás, los abuelitos, planes Medicare, pero todo bajo el lente de Intermountain Health, que hay personas que lo conocían anteriormente como SCL Health, y también otras organizaciones de salud que son parte de nuestra red.
Tell us a little more about the programs, about the different programs of benefits that people can obtain with you guys.
Well, health insurance isn't just for sick people or people that get injured. We have a lot of value loaded into our plans that goes above and beyond that. We have discounts for healthy living, and we have a lot of opportunities that you may not understand about unless you go to the website and look up what's in the plan. Help me out here.
You said it right, Joe. One of the things, especially for me as an immigrant to the United States, I moved to the United States 20 years ago, so healthcare was a totally different experience overseas. The private system that you have to purchase insurance is, like you said, offering more than, okay, this insurer will pay my claims. So wellness is important to us. So first of all of our preventive services that we cover are covered at 100%, meaning that our member will go into that room, get their exam done, screening, and walk out without any type of copay or out of pocket. rewards. So if you live healthy, you will receive $240 per individual or up to $580 per family. Virtual care, which is a lot of us are engaging with our doctors now with our phone. You can have a virtual visit and pay zero copay for it, including mental health. Those things are super important to people.
Now, as I mentioned before, you guys are new in town, but not new into the business.
No, we celebrated our 40th anniversary last year, so we've been helping people a long time. I know that's important here in Colorado because we've had some carriers that came and went. We are here to stay, and that's an important thing. In the 40 years, we've never exited a market that we went into. So good testament to the commitment that they have to Colorado.
Bueno, como bien decía yo, vinimos para quedarnos. Estamos celebrando nuestro aniversario número 40, ofreciéndole a las personas planes de salud que, como recién dije en inglés, es mucho más que un plan que cubre nuestros reclamos médicos cuando nos enfermamos. Todo lo que es atención preventiva, exámenes de bienestar están cubiertos al 100%, o sea que la persona paga cero copay por un examen físico, vacunas, mamografía, examen ginecológico. Las visitas virtuales, hablar con un doctor a través de la cámara del teléfono, es algo gratuito para nuestros miembros, incluyendo salud emocional, una visita con un terapeuta. Y lo último también es descuentos, ¿verdad? Para diferentes actividades que el seguro no cubre, que nosotros les ofrecemos a las personas un descuento para recibir ese tipo de servicios, y premios por vivir saludablemente, $240 por persona, $580 por familia, por caminar, tomar sus pasitos, ¿verdad? Y registrar todo eso en la página de internet.
Beautiful. And let me tell you guys that when it comes to insurance, when it comes to health, I think we always think about being wealthy is also being healthy, and all the way around. It's completely connected. A healthy individual can be productive, right? And it is so important for the small business community because many of them do not get an insurance. In the past, they couldn't get a group health insurance because of the situation. It was probably 2 or 3 within their business, and for them, probably the premium was very, very high, right? They had no other option but to find a way to have one of the members of the family to work while the other one operated the business. I think this changes completely. Now individuals can get their own health insurance and pay attention to the business, right? Para la gente que nos escucha es muy importante porque, de hecho, hasta la fecha, ahora, conozco personas que tienen una persona, miembros de la familia que trabaja para una otra compañía para poder obtener seguro médico. Y de esta manera poder proveer seguro para el marido o para la mujer o para los hijos. Ahora creo que ya hay más opciones. Yo creo que la llegada de Select Health a Colorado es muy oportuna. Yo creo que la llegada también con los nuevos programas que existen le van a dar la oportunidad de que usted, miembro de la comunidad de negocios, pueda obtener un seguro médico y de esta manera no tenga que desatender su empresa. Ahora simplemente puede meter un 100% a su negocio, porque al final de cuentas, por eso está en el negocio, porque quiere ser exitoso. Now, you'll be able to focus completely 100% in your business, because now you have other options to get health insurance. So please, in a minute, I think I'm going to ask you guys for both your website and your phone number so that people can connect with you guys. And if you guys need any information about these programs, who Select Health is, we're going to be sharing this online. So you can please take a screenshot or just take some time to write down the number, and please don't keep it to yourself. Share with those that you know that need it the most. Our community is a vast community. When it comes to, and I will say that, yeah, we are the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce, and yes, we have a good number of individuals here in Colorado, but we're on the same boat. I think if I'm correct, it's over 6 million people just in this Metro Denver area and surrounding areas. We have over 1.5 million Hispanics in Colorado. And when it comes to businesses, we have a little over 100,000 Hispanic-owned businesses. So again, we want to make sure that they have all the tools they need. And one of them that many times, we forget about is health. We have everything right on the checklist. We have the name, the license, the product, the service, the office, the lease is done. All those things are checked out. But then, what about health, right? And I think this is important for them to know that we now have a new partner. We now have a new partner in the community. Anything else you would like to add?
I'm sorry?
Anything else you would like to add?
I think the most important thing is, when can I enroll? Because some people think they can buy health insurance all year long, and that's not necessarily the case. So We have special enrollment periods that allow people to enroll, and it could be that you change jobs, or maybe your COBRA from a prior job expired. Having a baby opens the door to buying a policy for the whole family. And so when you have these changes, it's important to know the rules as to when you can enroll, whether it's for an individual and family plan or a Medicare plan, because you can't do it all the time. We have a brand new one in Colorado this year for becoming pregnant. So if you are now pregnant, you can buy health insurance, and you need to check and see if you're eligible for a subsidy to help pay the premium for you. So that's what I would advise people to do, is get in touch with us. We can help. You don't have to go this alone. And it's at selecthealth.org, or my eyes aren't that good anymore.
It is 1-800
Thank you.
538-5038, 1-800-538-5038. And like Joe said, we know that the marketplace insurance offers open enrollment as of November 1. So a lot of people know if I want to sign up or make changes, I have to wait until November 1 to do that. But like he said very well, if there is a special enrollment situation that applies throughout the year, including losing insurance through your job or Medicaid. We know a lot of people who used to be on Medicaid, now that they have a better job, so their income may make them not eligible for Medicaid anymore. They can come on an individual plan. They can call Select Health and find out about our options, including options that are very comparable to the type of lineup of benefits they used to have with Medicaid. Y en español, rapidito, las personas saben perfectamente que la inscripción anual es a partir del 1 de noviembre para los planes individuales con subsidio o planes directos con Select Health, por ejemplo, para las familias que aún no tienen estatus. Pero si tuvieran un cambio vital en su vida, como es casarse, divorciarse, tener un niño, mudarse a Colorado desde otro estado, hacerse ciudadanos, embarazarse, eso le permite a la persona inscribirse por fuera del periodo anual. No se tienen que esperar el 1 de noviembre, se puede inscribir dentro de los 60 días de ese cambio. O sea que si alguien perdió el Medicaid o el plan en su trabajo, tiene un periodo para inscribirse en un plan individual, incluyendo Select Health, durante el mes que ocurrió esa pérdida de cobertura.
So, dame el teléfono una vez más. Give me the number once again.
Es 1-800-538-5038.
5038, and the website is www.selecthealth.org. Okay, I'm gonna add this now to the screen. Let me see. I don't know how these new kids can do everything. When it comes to technology, let me tell you, I go back and I tell my kids to show me how to do this. I know that you guys are busy, and you guys are here for a reason, right? I want to take advantage now to share a little bit about what you guys are doing tomorrow. So again, when I say you guys are coming to town, it's not just another company, it's a partner. It's not just to come in and sell insurance, it's to come and actually like hold up your sleeves and get to work. Tell me a little about what's going on tomorrow.
Absolutely. So we have our partners, providers who do all the medical services, screenings, surgeries, and everything else that our members may need. And we're really proud of not just being part of Intermountain Health, but also part of the UC Health Network and all their clinical services and hospital services. And with that in mind, there will be an event tomorrow called Abril, providing screenings and health awareness for women of any age. So we will be attending that event with UC Health. Select Health will be doing free screenings, hypertension, BMI, pre-diabetes conversations. We'll have swag. We'll have information about individual insurance, Medicare Advantage insurance, a lot of options which may have a very low premium or no premium at all based on income, based on different factors. Also access for families who may not have access to subsidies because of their legal status in the United States. There are individual insurance options to enroll directly with Select Health. And again, all preventive services are covered at 100%. So even if someone is healthy and may say, I never needed insurance, I don't have any chronic conditions, first of all, health could change in a heartbeat. We have seen that with families and family and friends. But also keep in mind, all preventive services are free.
No, and I think when it comes to insurance, like with anything else, it's a yearly thing. It's not a 1 week or just on one period. I think we have to keep an eye on every change in life and every change, every situation, right, throughout the year. And also, if you guys have any questions when it comes to health insurance, regardless of the situation. I think it's a good idea for them to reach out to you because you can probably guide them through as to like what works for them, what can work for them.
Absolutely. And if we can share the location for the event tomorrow with UC Health,
yeah.
there will be so many resources. The event is geared towards women's health, but the entire family can attend and enjoy, the resources and the gifts and the information that will be provided.
And it's going to be at the Stockyards Event Center at the National Western Complex, and that is at 5004 National Western Drive in Denver, Colorado, 80216.
From 8:30 a.m. to 1 p.m.
And you'll be there.
We'll be there.
Okay. Well, I suggest people, if you guys have an opportunity, please to stop by, say hi to both Sebastián and Joe. I think it'd be great for you guys to connect with both of them and also their entire team, as this is a great team in Colorado.
Thank you so much. Gracias.
Bueno, una vez más, gracias a todos ustedes por estarse conectando con nosotros. Le damos las gracias también a Select Health por estar aquí con nosotros. We want to thank both Joe and Sebastián for taking the time to stop by at the station. Let me tell you guys, we're live. We're live from, we're actually here at the KBNO studio. We're taking advantage of their conference room. So sorry if we've been here for a little bit of time or extra time, but I think it's important. I think it's important to take this time to connect and for people to get to know you, not just by the logo, the brand, but the people who makes up Select Health. Once again, thank you and welcome to our business community. Welcome to the Hispanic community. Welcome to Colorado.
Thank you so much.
Bueno, si tiene alguna pregunta, conéctese con nosotros que estaremos a la orden. Mi nombre es Jesús Carrillo. Hasta la próxima.